Hello all. In this video I am going to show the wireless power transfer between the two coils. I am having two coils. One is the primary coil and another is the secondary coil. As you can see on the secondary coil there is an Arduino board. The Arduino board is programmed with this LED sequence. This LED sequence is already pre-programmed in this Arduino board. Now as you can see, one by one the LEDs are glowing. So since this is the secondary coil of the transformer, I am removing the secondary coil. You can see the primary coil. So this is the primary coil, and here you can see the primary coil this is the spacer between the two coils. Look, these are the spacers between the two coils. This is the air gap basically. For air gap I am using these spacers. So now you can see here the primary coil is basically a plastic plate and copper coil is wound on the plastic plate. Okay, so the two wires of the copper coil is connected to this oscillator. You can see here this is my oscillator and this is the power device. This is the power device and this is the whole oscillator. You can see here this is based on 555 oscillator. Okay, so now this is the primary coil, and between the primary coil and secondary coil, as we know, as per the transformer theory, there should be a gap. So these spacers are used as an air gap. So now you can see here, since this is the secondary coil, the secondary coil you can see there is no power source. So this is just a coil and it will gain power from the primary coil. So when we are going to put the secondary coil over the primary coil, we will see there is a voltage buildup and the software will start functioning. See, now there is no power in this board. Currently no power in this board, and this is my primary power supply. This is the power supply for the primary coil. Okay, so now the coil is oscillating. So one more important thing I am going to say, this coil is oscillating at a frequency of 48 kilohertz. So normally we should be able to make a greater frequency like more than 150 kilohertz, but here I have limited the frequency. I have used 48 kilohertz frequency only. So since the frequency is little low, the power device is getting little hot. So in the next upgrade, I will increase the frequency so that this device will not get hot. Okay, so now I will put the secondary coil over the primary coil. See, the secondary coil is now at a distance. So when I am getting it near, there will be a slow voltage buildup. You can see there is a slow voltage buildup. It is trying to trigger. The LED is trying to trigger. The microcontroller is trying to fire. Okay, so now when I am very near, see, now the voltage buildup is complete. So now the whatever program is there in the Arduino, the LEDs will glow as per the sequence. So now if I turn it, see, if I turn it, I can turn it in any direction. See, if I turn it, I can turn it in any direction. So here I am going to show you another good thing. I have used the primary coil on a fan motor. Basically my target is, see, this is the fan motor actually, 4-inch fan motor. So basically my target is to move the secondary coil. See, I am using this air gap. So when I will put the secondary coil on this air gap. When I will put the secondary coil on this air gap, see, I can turn the secondary coil in any direction. The program will be running and I will be able to run the secondary coil, move the secondary coil in any direction. So what will happen as a result? This whole display will be moving. So it will be used as a moving message display in another software application. I will upgrade the software and I will show you how to make a moving message display in the next video. But for now, this is a wireless power transformation device. From the primary, I am giving power to the secondary coil. Okay, so the secondary coil is running, as you can see. So this is what the video is all about. Let me make it nice, all of them. So yeah. So this is what this is all about, this video. So see, you can see the LED is changing. So now one more thing I would like to add finally. So this is the Schottky diode. This is your filter capacitor and this is the 5-volt regulator, and we are getting here plus 5 volt for the Arduino, and the software is triggering this sequence, LED sequence. Okay, thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Please support my channel. Thank you very much.